Trees are a great way to bring the elegance of the holidays right to your table. Whether your big tree is fresh cut or artificial, let me show you how to make one from your favorite fabrics that you can bring out year after year.
The materials you'll need are this free template. You can find the link in the video description below. 8 cuts of woven fabric or crafting felt. 8 cuts of heavyweight interfacing, medium weight is okay for felt. And coordinating thread. Apply the interfacing to the wrong side of your tree fabrics. Fold each tray in half and mark the center bottom. Draw a line between the top and bottom. Sew along these lines on each tree. Fold the trees in half, right sides together, and press. Starting with 2 trees, line up 1/2 of each. Take a 3rd tree and line it up to the 2nd half of one of the other trees. Repeat for all of the trees until they are joined in a circle. I strongly recommend pins over clips on this project. Beginning at the bottom center, sew each pair of trees together. Use a 1/4 inch seam allowance. When you get to the top of the tree, continue sewing off the fabric. Because nobody is perfect, trim the excess fabric around the edges. Find the middle of your tree with equal amounts on each side. Sew a 1-inch backstitch line through this section. Using wovens, you may want to add some fray check to the edges or even some paint to make it fancy. Finish the top of your tree with some tiny bows, mini ornaments, or whatever you'd like, really.
Is your table already full? Well, you can make these to decorate around the house. Make them in different fabrics, or even make one for your coworkers or your friends and family. Our next project for the 12 days of holiday sewing will be perfect for the big tree though. So stay tuned and I'll see you next time.
Don't forget to stop by the description so you can grab the link for this free template.